Red lighting, there he is. FSU's ball boy with world-class speed. Auburn apparently has their own version. His name is Andrew Jarrett, who got married last weekend. There's Jarrett. He's got pretty good wheels as well. On his War Eagle-inspired groom's kit, he had a screen grab cut out of himself, keeping pace with Chris Davis on that legendary return of the missed field goal last year in the Iron Bowl. Brad, which one are you putting your money on in a race between these two studs?
I like the Auburn kid, Speed.
You do?
Yeah, and he's got youth on his side, too. He's like a year younger.
What do you think?
Is that Andrew Jarrett?
That's Andrew Jarrett, yes. Remember the name.
Andrew Jarrett. You know, it's always embarrassing when you see the ball boy outrunning other guys on the team.
You don't want to see that in film room session?
Oh, no, that gets pointed out. I guarantee you that got pointed out, and people were embarrassed.
I got my money on Red Lighting. He was still the original, and I think he is still the best. So that's where my
ball
money
boy
is.
combine. We need to put together one of those.
You guys have some wheels, and they got to have some wind, too, to be able to run like they do. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.